Hi everybody. Tonight in this video, since it is 11:41 p.m., I actually recorded two videos. One is that I'm finished editing, is a makeup tutorial that my cousin did on me, and then the other one is a car vlog. I'm actually editing it on my MacBook Pro laptop, and I've been using my iMovie to like edit it and stuff. And then after this video, I'm gonna be uploading a makeup tutorial. If I can't, yeah, I think I can. So, oh my gosh, my legs are so black right now. So yeah, well, bye, peace, subscribe.